Student, now I am going to explain another topic, status definition. According to Ogburn and Nimkov, status represents the position of the individual in the group. This is the views of Ogburn and Nimkov. According to Ogburn and Nimkov, status always represents the position and rank of an individual in the group of society. This is the definition of status. Now, types of status. There are three types of status. Point 1, ascribed status. Ascribed status means we have got our status by birth. It is based on one's caste, family, background, etc. Ascribed status always based on individual's caste, family, background, etc. It is not based on one's own effort, capabilities and abilities. Point 2, ascribed status. Ascribed status is opposite to ascribed status. An individual's achievement is status by his own efforts and capabilities. Understand? Point 3, assumed status. Assumed status is also similar to ascribed status. Assumed status means the status acquired by an individual by his own self. An individual acquired his status by his own self. The duties and responsibilities that are attached to this status are also chosen by the individual himself. Understand? This is all about assumed status. Factors determining ascribed status. Some factors determine the ascribed status. They are: point 1 is that in traditional societies, elders are respected and younger generation is under the control of the elder generation. This is the important factor of ascribed status. In traditional societies, all elders are respected and younger generation is always under the control of their elder generation. This is the important factor of ascribed status. Point 2, sex. In most communities, males always acquire a high status in the family. That means in most communities, males always acquire higher status than female in a family. Point 3, physical characteristics. Well-built physique in males. That means looking handsome, and beauty in females are the important determinants of status. Looking handsome, looking beautiful are the important determinants of status Understand? Deformities, physical defects, ugly looks reduce individual esteem in the society. Deformities means some handicap, deformities, physical defects, ugly looks always reduce the status of a individual. Point 4, kinship and family. Individuals ascribe status according to his family. All individuals ascribe his status according to his family. Point 5, caste is important factor to determine ascribed status. Understand? Caste is always determine the ascribed status, because in India, Brahmin will be given the high status, followed by Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. Point 6, race. Race is only important factors in Western countries. Race means color. Understand? Color, hair, skin. In Western societies, white race is considered superior compared to black and Mongoloids. This is some factors of ascribed status. Now we will discuss about factors determining the ascribed status. Point 1, education. A highly educated person's status is more than uneducated person. Understand? This is one type of factor of ascribed status. Occupation. Individual's occupation determine the status. Understand? In Indian society, doctors and engineers are more respected than any other occupation. So, occupation is also the factor of ascribed status. Point 3, wealth. In modern world, wealth gives always a special status. Point 4, political authority. The MLA and MP and other political dignitaries have high status in a society. Point 5, marriage. Through marriage, an individual achieves the status of a husband or wife. Through marriage, an individuals always achieve a status of husband or wife, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, brother-in-law, and other status. So these all are the factors of achieve status. Point 6. Achievement of an individual. In modern society, individual achievements are significant in determining the social status. Understand? In modern society, individuals' achievements are significant, means importance in determining the social status. To determine the social status, an individual can achieve the field of education, occupation, arts, sports, science, etc. Understand? This all about some factors of achieved status.